my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah. I am back with another video. Sorry, I had to look back because I'm like, who the fuck is this behind me? I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a try-on haul from a company called Marnae'S Boutique. Now, this is an Instagram-based company. I found them just scrolling on my timeline, and I saw her clothes, and I was like, ooh, I really, really like these clothes. Now, it's not all the time I buy from Instagram boutiques. There is another Instagram boutique that I like, actually. I believe her name is Marnae'S Closet. But sometimes, you know, I don't know. I've had bad experiences with Instagram boutiques, but this particular one, I really have to brag about the shipping because I ordered it on Wednesday. She shipped it out on Thursday. Today is Saturday, and I just got it today in the mail. So it was actually really, really quick. That's the kind of customer service that I can always respect. I need these items for my trip, so I was hoping that it would be here in time. And sure enough, your girl arrived on time. So it did come in 2 bags. I believe I ordered about 3 or 4 outfits. I can't remember. So I'm about to go ahead and open them. Y'all, another thing that I don't like shopping about online is sometimes the sizes don't be right, but I don't know, hopefully the sizing is right. If not, I'm gonna just have to take these bitches to get altered or something, because baby, I ain't got time to be playing. Oh, okay, this is actually from a different company. This is a company that me and Flo actually ordered from. It's like a company that sent me and Flo some a matching, we didn't order from them, but they sent us some matching bathing suits to wear on our vacation, and they want us to take pictures in them and stuff. That's basically like a brand deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package. Y'all know I love packaging. I think her packaging is really cute, very simple, pink. Got her logo on it, Marnae'S Boutique Apparel and Clothing, and this shipped from New Jersey. So yeah, okay, so the first item is this red dress that I ordered, you guys. I decided that I really want to do something grown and sexy while I'm on my vacation, so I picked out this really cute red 2-piece outfit, which I don't know how to wear it. I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out. But this is the skirt, I believe. Hold on. I'm confused. I'm gonna have to look at the picture. But yes, I believe this is the skirt right here. Oh, snap. And this is the top. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on and we're gonna see. Okay. So I believe that this is the outfit. It's supposed to be a dress, but to be real with y'all, it's giving me bathing suit vibes. I think it's super sexy though. Super sexy. And ooh, it's giving bathing suit vibes. I actually was gonna order a bathing suit like this off of Fashion Nova. So I'm thinking about just making this a bathing suit instead of like a going out dress. I feel like I can be a little bit more classy when it comes to my dresses. That's kind of like the vibe I was going for this trip. I'm gonna make this a swimsuit option, which I think is very sexy for a swimsuit. I love it. I'm gonna rate it a 9, only because I was expecting it to be a dress, but I needed a red swimsuit anyways, so it's actually giving what it needs to be gave. So I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's cute. It's definitely doing something for me. It fits really nice, but it's definitely screaming bathing suit, not a dress for going out. Nah. But all right, I'm gonna get into the next one. Okay, you guys, this is the next outfit. Oh my god, I think this is super sexy. However, I don't think I put it on right. This part right here is right, but I gotta look at the picture to see if it's actually right. Like the back, this is the back, this is the front. Now the front is longer than the back, and it's definitely giving like another bathing suit type of vibe. But I might just wear this as a dress because I feel like, you know, Well, first of all, I did order it as a dress because that's what I thought it was. Let me look on the I need to look on her website and see. Let me look on her website, child, so I can make sure that I'm doing this the right way. But I love the way this part fits. I feel like a lot of like tops don't be looking right on my boobs. So yeah, I did it wrong, y'all. It's supposed to look like this. How do I make it look? This is supposed to cross in the front. And I'm guessing I'm supposed to tie each one together. These are tied, all of these are tied together on the sides. They're tied together, which makes sense. So yeah, I gotta tie that together. And then the front part crosses in the front. So let me fix that real quick. Okay, so it's supposed to cross in the front like this, which my boobs still look good like this in it. But actually, I think I like it better this way. I think I like it better this way. I don't know why, just something about it. But I don't know, it just depends. Yeah. I don't know, that look, it's giving me devil horns or something right now. I don't like that. But I'll figure it out. But yeah, all of these pieces on the side have to be tied together. I'm gonna give this one, ooh, I like it like this too. Hold up now, yes. Wait a minute. I'm gonna give this one a 9, an 8. Well, I'm gonna say a 9. Cause I love the way it's up here. I love this part up here. I just hate the fact that I actually have to tie all these little pieces together. Like, this is gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be a lot of work for me to do all this. But then y'all might leave it loose. It's kind of cute loose. I don't know. Y'all comment below what y'all think. Cause like, it's like all these little loose parts. It's supposed to be tight like this. So y'all tell me what y'all think. But yeah, I definitely think I need to tie it. Yeah, I think I need to tie it. But this is this outfit. Comment below what y'all think. My body actually looks really good in this too. But I'm gonna try on the last out. Well, actually I got 2 more. So we got 1 and I got 1 more after that. So, okay you guys, this is my next outfit. And I really like this outfit. I feel like it's super comfy. It's really cute. I love the crochet. Let me see if I can take these buttons off. I like the fact that I can unbutton it. It does seem like there was a little bit of like fraying that happened right here. So I don't know about that, but I can unbutton it if I want to. If I want to. I think I like it buttoned though. But yeah, I see this with maybe like some white, maybe like a white bag, and maybe like some white. I'm trying to think what kind of shoes I would wear with this. I don't know, but I love the way it fits on me. I love the pattern. Really cute. This is like more so like a brunch type thing. Maybe going out, getting, you know, whatever. But this is definitely a cute outfit for my trip. I love the colors. And yeah. Only thing I don't like is this part. So hopefully, maybe I can just do the other side like that or something. And it won't look so bad. But yeah. So that's that on that. Comment below what kind of piece would you, what kind of accessories would you put with this? Shoes, bag. Tell me, like, I'm probably gonna do a white bag. Yeah, I'm gonna do a white bag with some white shoes. I was thinking about, there's these Gucci, like these espadrille type shoes that I want. So I might go for that. But love this. I'm giving this a 10. Well, I'm gonna give it a 9 because of this, but definitely a cute piece. And I'm gonna try on the last one for you guys. Yeah. Alright guys, here is the next outfit, and I really love this one. This is super freaking cute, you guys. Oh my freaking god. Now this is from a company that contacted Flo and I. They are called 2BAECATION on Instagram. Vacation swimwear brand, and they do like couples. They do like couple swimwear swimsuits. So I thought this was very cute that they contacted me and Flo, and it was a perfect timing because we're actually about to go out of the country for my birthday. So I'm gonna show y'all his trunks. But they gave this to me in a size extra large. Now at first I was like, why they gave me extra large, and I clearly told them a large, because Flo was the one who was the point of contact, so they was asking our sizes, and I know I told him large, so I'm like, why the fuck they sent me an extra large? But when I was putting it on, I said, okay, now I see why they sent me an extra large, because baby, when I tell you this is like perfect, like this size is perfect, it fits all my areas perfectly, and like I'm just in love. I'm in love. So we're definitely gonna be taking a lot of pictures in this outfit, because it is a promo, so of course, you know, we want to make sure we get our pictures in. But his came with the trunks to match, and I hope they sent the right size. Okay, they gave him a large. I don't know, but he's not a large, but I guess they're gonna have to figure it out. He gonna have to figure this out, baby. But they sent him a large, and it also comes with a hat. Now in the pictures, there's another couple on their website with this same bathing suit on, and in the picture the girl is wearing the hat. I don't think I'm gonna wear the hat. I think I'm gonna let Flo wear it. Yeah, I don't really like bucket hats. Bucket hats don't really look right on me. Plus, I don't want to take away from the aesthetic of the bathing suit, because I feel like the bathing suit is giving more so like sexy, and I don't want to like boy it down with a bucket hat. So I'm gonna let him wear the bucket hat, him wear, you know, he got his trunk, so we're gonna be matching. Oh, damn, I'm so excited. And we're gonna be taking some pictures. So yeah, so this is everything for the haul, you guys. I'm gonna list everything in the description below. I'm just so excited. I love this swimsuit. So far I got 2 swimsuits, and I think me and him are doing 2 more matching swimsuits, or 1 more matching swimsuit or something like that. We're gonna do a couple more matching swimsuits. Yeah, I don't have to do the red because we have the red already. So it's this one, the red one, and I think there's 1 more that we're gonna do matching. I forgot what color it is, but y'all gonna see. But anyways, oh my god, I just love the way this looks on me. God, it looks so good. Ain't no back rolls or nothing, girl. But anyways, you guys, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Comment below if you have any questions. Comment below if y'all want to see any more different types of videos, because y'all know I'm always really willing to do the content for y'all, because I love y'all that much. But anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video.
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us.